What about if I told you could make this in just a couple of minutes? It's like from a 5-star restaurant. Breaded shrimp, a little bit of flavor, some tomato. That's gonna be the best dish you ever made. See how we do it in a Gotham. I've got some peeled, deveined, huge big shrimp. The bigger the better. I've got an egg, a couple of chives for decoration, some panko breadcrumbs, a little bit of tomato coulis. You can just use tomato sauce. I blended it with a bit of sun-dried tomatoes to give it a little bit more. Let's get cooking in the Gotham. As I heat that pan, I'm gonna crack an egg. I'm gonna give it a good whisk. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to that pan. I want it because I need a bit of color. I'm gonna take these shrimp, I'm gonna dip them in egg, dip them in a little bit of panko. One more, just get a nice crust on that. Pop it in the pan. Repeat. And not deep fried, just a little pan sear of beautiful lightly coated. Oh, it's like tempura, I love it. Pop that in there. Let me get rid of some of that. Let's always dress it up with some fresh herbs because fresh herbs bring everything to life. That color is gonna make you wanna post that picture on an Instagram. I take my pan. You see that? That's why we love Gotham. A beautiful gourmet, fabulous appetizer. You could do this. You know why you can? You can in a Gotham.